how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. It's your ordinary girl here, loving night. But today I'm not the ordinary girl, I'm the village girl. As you can see, just surrounding. See the surrounding. So guys, in the village farm, but they may do see like the village life is so cheap and affordable compared to town life. Because imagine you can get your food just in your farm. You don't have to go and buy it. So like this farm, let me just show you what you can get. Just see how green it is. I just admire it. It's very green. Like there is some sugar cane. For those who don't know what sugar cane is, this is what I mean by saying sugar cane. You see, there's some sugar cane there. This, like, even if you are hungry, you can just come and have a sugar cane. Na siku inaendelea. And then you also have yams. This is what we say by yams. But I don't know what's the name of. Is it yam or arrowroot? I do confuse. Nduma in English. I don't know the name. Kindly someone to assist me there down in my comment section. I don't know, it's arrowroot or yam. And then we also have bananas. Just see. Wow. Imagine. Okay. That's why I say village life is so affordable. But I don't know. We also have bananas. If you're hungry, just come and take some banana and go and cook. Na siku inaendelea. What else can I show you? Then we have your clean water from the source. I don't know what's this, but clean. Imagine, just see. It's very clean. Clean water. I don't know, the pipe broke, or I don't know. So we have clean water. We also have the remains of maize, cause maize were just harvested last month. Yeah, maize were harvested last month in this part of Kenya. And what else? Cause today I'm just doing the video tour, village farm tour. What else can I show you? Apart from, oh yeah, there's a lot of bananas. Just see. If you love banana, just follow me. I'll bring for you. There's a lot of banana. Just see. And then we also have beans. This is what you call beans. It is not yet mature, and also people do eat this some points. You can just take this and go and cook. You'll eat it. Some people do eat it when the bean is still young. I think right now it's old. You cannot now eat the leaves. These are still the beans. Yeah. Oh, let me show you. This inside here, so I can open inside. Ebon, open for me. Yeah, but it's still young. You see, we have beans. What else? What is that? Fruit. A tree. Just a tree. Okay. So I'm just doing farm tour in the village. The village life. And we also have, these are just beans, and then there is weed. I think they've not These are weeds, which is not healthy. These are beans. Weed. Yeah. Weeds, they come up. We think it's food. Yeah. And then we have cassava. Who doesn't like cassava? We have cassava. Here are cassava. Ouch! Blackjack. We have cassava. Yeah. They look like weed. Actually, let's say they have weed. These are cassava. And what else? We have pumpkin leaf. Inaitwaje kwa English? Pumpkin leaf, just like that. So guys, we have pumpkin leaves. Just see. But there is a lot of weed in this farm. Mulipalilia mwisho lini? Pumpkin leaf. So that's why I said, what else? Maize. Onions. The other side. Okay, just a village farm. Okay, today is just doing a tour village farm in my village, and I think village life is so affordable. Like awezilala surely. You just have to go to your farm and do what?
And plant or dig or harvest.
Plant, harvest, anything. So bye today. It was only that. That's what I was doing. And you people, you can eat beans leaf like food. It's so yummy. Huh? Okay, so guys, today we only have that. More village videos are coming as long as I'm in my village,